I'm going to be using Haskell syntax for no other reason than it fits. Okay, so everything that I'm going to tell you is language independent. I'm going to talk about two functions that you will see in many languages. And the prerequisite knowledge that I'm going to assume that you don't all have, most of you probably do, but what is a cons list or a list in the functional programming sense. And so this here is the entire source code, this first line here to a cons list. And basically you can read it as, so this here is the type declaration. Data is a keyword. This is the type declaration. So this is just naming the thing a list. And it takes a list of t's, so it has elements that are of the type t. Quite straightforward so far. If you use Java or C#, that goes in angle brackets. So you know, lists of angly t's. And then these two things here, they're separated by this pipe operator here. And it's saying that these are called constructors for the list. So one of them is nil. Starts with a capital letter, that's how I know it's a constructor. And the other one here is called cons, and it takes two arguments. And because it's a non-alpha spelling of that name, it's two arguments go on either side of it. Okay, so here's the first argument, t, and here's the second argument, list of t. Okay, so a cons list of t is either nil or it's cons. In the cons case, it has two values, that is t and list of t. And this is often called its head, and this is often called its tail. Okay, so by the way, interrupt me if I say something confusing or even wrong. Please interrupt me. So, any questions there? Does everyone follow that? Makes total sense. Good. So these are the two functions here that I get a lot of questions about. So Haskell calls them fold L, fold R. Scala calls them fold left, fold right. There's probably other languages that call them other